Okay guys, you're gonna see a turbo style walkthrough on this 2019 Forest River Salem 32 BHDS. 2 slides, family unit. It is a little bit dirty. We're gonna get it detailed. Once it's all detailed, I'm gonna take some fresh pictures and a fresh video. It's not horrible actually, but I will take fresh pictures and a fresh video, and it won't be as fast as this. All right. Shower, medicine cabinet, love it. That is a Whirlpool electric fridge. High point microwave. That's not dirty at all. Oven. Huge TV on a swivel, so that comes all the way out. Swivels as you wish. I see another TV. Is in her closets. Okay. Please call one of our friendly sales staff, book your appointment, and we'll get this ready for show. And hopefully we'll get it detailed before you get here. Bye for now.